When you look up at the sky and see the Marconi Towers, you're witnessing the very heart of Battle Harbour's history.
My name is Peter Bull. I'm the Executive Director with the Battle Harbour Historic Trust in Southern Labrador.
These towering sentinels are more than just landmarks. They are the last of their kind in North America, and possibly the world. They represent a turning point in global telecommunications, a time when the isolation of this remote coast was broken by news from afar. For nearly 100 years, they have withstood relentless wind and ice storms, standing as a testament to resilience and innovation. But now, the increased intensity of storms and the toll of time have put them at a risk of collapse. Restoring the Marconi Towers isn't just about preserving the past. It's about protecting a symbol of connection, a legacy of progress, and a piece of history that shaped the way we communicate today. Join the movement to save the towers. Cast your vote daily at nextgreatsave.ca and be a part of our Canadian history.